Hello everyone, today I have a review of another knife from Dulotec company. This time it's an OTF knife, model K180A. The knife comes with the black nylon sheath without any motif, closed with the plastic buckle, with the possibility of attaching with Velcro. Total length is 23 cm, blade length is 9 cm, blade thickness is 3.2 mm. The steel of the blade is 3CR13 MOV, comparable to 420 steel. The advantage of this steel is high corrosion resistance and easy sharpening, tempered to approx 56 HRC. The blade is black end with a fuller with 4 holes, opening and closing with stepped bottom. The handle is made of black aluminium, pocket clip depicting the name of the manufacturer, Dulotec, glass breaker. In summary, nice OTF knife for little money. No doubt that OTFs are one of the most interesting knives in the world. Multiple opening and closing for fun. It's easy to get addicted to it. Quick to open and use is a big plus. I mentioned it earlier, but the first knife in my life was an OTF, and that's why I have a great fondness for them. That's all in this review. Thanks for watching.